السلام عليكم، معاكم رحاب نبيل الزيات، والنهارده قصتنا من عالم سمسم أو سيسامي ستريت. البيج بيرد والأشكال guessing game about square, triangle, circle and rectangle. Let's get started. Will you play a guessing game with me? Will you? You will? That's great. طبعا ايه great ان انت هتلعب معايا. Let's get started. يلا نبدأ. I'm thinking of something that is shaped like a circle. Thinking of something that's shaped like a circle. It is something that you can eat. يبقى هو two hands عندنا إن هو like a circle and you can eat. A circle هنا, a circle is a round shape with no angles. ما عندهاش أي angles. Square circle وما عندهاش أي angles. أي sides. Can you guess what big bird is thinking of? What big bird is thinking of? Circle and you can eat. Let's see here. What is circle and you can eat? Haha, I think he is thinking about pizza. Yummy pizza. Can you see the shape in each object? Yes, we can. Circle, circle. Did you guess I was thinking about pizza? I was thinking about pizza. Pizza. I love pizza. Now I am thinking about something shaped like a triangle. ودلوقتي غير رأيه. دلوقتي بيفكر في حاجة shaped like a triangle. Okay? It is not a food. It's not a food this time. It is a musical instrument. Musical instrument. آلة موسيقية. خلونا نشوف triangle. شكله كده. A triangle has three sides and three angles. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. 3 angles with 3 sides. خلاص? Can you guess what big bird is thinking of? What big bird is thinking of? هو ايه؟ 2 hands. خلاص؟ triangle وتاني حاجة إن هو musical instruments. Let's see. Musical instruments but not a triangle. Tree, yeah, triangle but not a musical instrument. A sailboat or a sail here is triangle but it's not a musical instrument. I think you know it now. Musical instrument and triangle. Good job. Let's see what big bird say. Did you guess I was thinking about the triangle? Yes, we guessed that. Good job. This time I am thinking about something shaped like a square. Square. Now he is thinking about a square, مربع. It has a bow on the top. Has a bow, فيونكة on the top. And it's something that I can open. I can open. ممكن أفتحها. طيب, a square has 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Those sides are all the same length. كلها طول واحد. Same length. Okay? ده السكوير. خلاص. Can you guess what Big Bird is thinking of? هو قال 1. It's a square. 2. It has a bow on the top. 3. He can open. Okay. Square. Square. Yeah. Square, small squares, but it doesn't have a bow. Okay. Square. No. Circle. Aha. This is a square and a bow in the top, and he can open because it's a present, right? دي ايه؟ هدية وممكن يفتحها. Did you guess that I was thinking about the square-shaped present? Yes, you were. You are smart. Here comes the last one. آخر واحدة. I am thinking about something shaped like a rectangle. A rectangle. إيه مستطيل. I can open this and read it. Rectangle. I can open it and read it. Let's see. Okay, rectangle. Circle. Rectangle. Yes. Can I open it and read it? I can open it, but I can't read it. That would be funny. Can I open the window? Yes. Can I read it? Nah. Hi. I got it. Okay, a book. It's a rectangle. I can open it and I can read it. It's a bedtime stories. Okay. Did you guess that I was thinking of a book? Yes, you did. Good job, you were smart. You sure are good at this game. Thank you, Big Bird. Shapes are everywhere. Everywhere, shapes. Everything you can eat, you can find shapes. Everywhere you can find shapes. Look around. Look around. What shapes do you see? What shapes do you see? Let's see. Here I can find a window. What shape is it? Circle. Good job. What about here? A lot of rectangle. A big one, a small one, this fancy one, and bricks even. Rectangle. A lot of bricks. Looks like rectangle. Here is it. What about triangle? Let's see. Search for triangles. One. I can find this one. Here is another one. And another one. A lot of rectangle. A lot of triangle. I'm sorry. Here is another one too. What about circles? 1, 2, 3. Right? And the sun, like a circle. How nice. What about a square? Can we find some squares here? That's a big question. Squares. Anybody can see squares here? I think this one might be a square, maybe, or a rectangle. But anyway, everywhere you can find shapes. Okay, search for some shapes. See you.